क्या तुमने फिर से उस पर भरोसा किया? हैव यू ट्रस्टेड हिम अगेन? हैव यू ट्रस्टेड हिम अगेन? हाँ, उसने माफी मांगी थी। यस, ही अपोलोजाइज। यस, ही अपोलोजाइज। नहीं, अब कोई भरोसा नहीं रहा। नो, आई डोंट ट्रस्ट एनी मोर। नो, आई डोंट ट्रस्ट एनी मोर। बस इस बार देख लेते हैं, आगे नहीं। जस्ट वॉचिंग दिस टाइम, नॉट अगेन। जस्ट वॉचिंग दिस टाइम, नॉट अगेन। तुम आज इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठे? Why did you wake up so early today? Why did you wake up so early today? सुबह का माहौल अच्छा लगा। I like the morning vibe. I like the morning vibe. नींद ही नहीं आई रात भर। I didn't sleep all night. I didn't sleep all night. उठना नहीं था, मम्मी ने उठा दिया। Wasn't my choice, mom woke me up. Wasn't my choice, mom woke me up. तुम फिर से सोशल मीडिया में खो गए हो? Have you lost yourself in social media again? Have you lost yourself in social media again? हाँ, पर सिर्फ टाइम पास के लिए। Yes, but just to pass time. Yes, but just to pass time. नहीं, मैं तो पढ़ रहा था। No, I was reading actually. No, I was reading actually. हाँ, थोड़ा रील्स देख रहा था। Yes, was just watching some reels. Yes, was just watching some reels. चाय में चीनी डाली थी क्या? Did you add sugar to the tea? Did you add sugar to the tea? हाँ, 1 चम्मच डाली है। Yes, I added 1 spoon. Yes, I added 1 spoon. नहीं, बिना चीनी बनाई है। No, made it without sugar. No, made it without sugar. थोड़ी कम डाली है इस बार। Added a bit less this time. Added a bit less this time. इतनी देर तक नहाते क्यों हो? Why do you take so long in the shower? Why do you take so long in the shower? अच्छा लगता है रिलैक्स होना। Feels good to relax. Feels good to relax. नहीं, आज तो जल्दी किया। No, I finished quickly today. No, I finished quickly today. बस पानी थोड़ा ठंडा था। Water was a bit cold, that's all. Water was a bit cold, that's all. बच्चे को फोन क्यों दिया तुमने? Why did you give the phone to the kid? Why did you give the phone to the kid? बस थोड़ी देर के लिए दिया। Just for a little while. Just for a little while. मैंने नहीं दिया, उसने खुद ले लिया। I didn't give it, he took it himself. I didn't give it, he took it himself. आप भी तो टीवी चलाते हो। You also turn on the TV. You also turn on the TV. क्या तुमने मुझसे कुछ छिपाया है? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? हाँ, एक सरप्राइज है तुम्हारे लिए। Yes, there is a surprise for you. Yes, there is a surprise for you. नहीं, मैं सब कुछ बताता हूँ। No, I tell you everything. No, I tell you everything. कुछ बातें वक्त पर बताना बेहतर होता है। Some things are better told at the right time. Some things are better told at the right time. खाना इतना देर से क्यों बना? Why was the food prepared so late? Why was the food prepared so late? थोड़ी देर हो गई, माफ करना. Sorry, got a bit late. Sorry, got a bit late. नहीं, टाइम पर ही बनाया था. No, I made it on time. No, I made it on time. गैस की फ्लेम स्लो थी आज. The gas flame was low today. The gas flame was low today. तुम इतना गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? कुछ बात बुरी लग गई थी. Something just upset me. Something just upset me. नहीं, मैं तो बिल्कुल शांति से हूँ. No, I'm totally calm. No, I'm totally calm. थोड़ा थका हुआ हूँ आज. I'm just a bit tired today. I'm just a bit tired today. क्या तुमने फ्रिज बंद कर दिया था? Did you turn off the fridge? Did you turn off the fridge? हाँ, क्लीन करने के लिए. Yes, for cleaning. Yes, for cleaning. नहीं, मैंने नहीं छुआ उसे. No, I didn't touch it. No, I didn't touch it. शायद पावर चला गया होगा. Maybe the power went off. Maybe the power went off. क्या तुमने मुझे कॉल किया था? Did you call me? Did you call me? हाँ, तुम्हें कुछ बताना था. Yes, I had to tell you something. Yes, I had to tell you something. नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया कॉल. No, I didn't call. No, I didn't call. शायद गलती से डायल हो गया. Maybe it dialed by mistake. Maybe it dialed by mistake. क्या तुमने मेरी बातों को नजरअंदाज किया? Did you ignore what I said? Did you ignore what I said? नहीं, मैं ध्यान से सुन रहा था. No, I was listening carefully. No, I was listening carefully. बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. Not at all, that's not the case. Not at all, that's not the case. बस दिमाग कहीं और था. My mind was just somewhere else. My mind was just somewhere else. बच्चे ने फिर से चीजें फेंकी क्या? Did the kid throw things again? Did the kid throw things again? हाँ, उसे गुस्सा आ गया था. Yes, he got angry. Yes, he got angry. नहीं, आज तो बहुत शांत था. No, he was calm today. No, he was calm today. शायद ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता था. Maybe he wanted some attention. Maybe he wanted some attention. तुमने फिर से बाहर का खाना मंगाया? Did you order food again? Did you order food again? हाँ, आज मन नहीं था बनाने का. Yes, didn't feel like cooking today. Yes, didn't feel like cooking today. नहीं, मैंने घर पर ही बनाया. No, I cooked at home. No, I cooked at home. ऑफर अच्छा था, मना नहीं कर सका. The offer was too good to resist. The offer was too good to resist. क्या तुमने मेरी पसंद का गाना प्ले किया था? Did you play my favorite song? Did you play my favorite song? हाँ, तुम्हारा मूड ठीक करने के लिए. Yes, to cheer you up. Yes, to cheer you up. नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं था कौन सा है. No, I didn't remember which one. No, I didn't remember which one. मैंने प्ले किया पर तुमने सुना नहीं. I did, but you didn't notice. I did, but you didn't notice. क्या तुमने घर की सफाई कर ली? Did you clean the house? Did you clean the house? हाँ, पूरी तरह से कर दी. Yes, clean it thoroughly. Yes, clean it thoroughly. नहीं, आज बहुत थक गया था. No, I was too tired today. No, I was too tired today. कुछ हिस्से किए हैं, बाकी बचा है. Did some parts rest is pending? Did some parts rest is pending? क्या तुमने मेरी बातें किसी और से शेयर की? Did you share my words with someone? Did you share my words with someone? हाँ, वो ज़रूरी था. Yes, it was necessary. Yes, it was necessary. नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं करता. No, I don't do that. No, I don't do that. मैंने सिर्फ सलाह के लिए बताया. I just asked for some advice. I just asked for some advice. क्या तुमने मेरी बातों को सीरियसली लिया? Did you take my words seriously? Did you take my words seriously? हाँ, इसीलिए अब बदलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Yes, that's why I'm trying to change. Yes, that's why I'm trying to change. नहीं, मुझे लगा तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. No, I thought you were joking. No, I thought you were joking. कुछ बातें लगी, कुछ अभी भी समझ नहीं आई. Some things hit me, some I'm still figuring out. Some things hit me, some I'm still figuring out. क्या तुमने खुद को कभी अकेला महसूस किया है? Have you ever felt lonely? Have you ever felt lonely? हाँ, बहुत बार. Yes, many times. Yes, many times. नहीं, खुद से ही दोस्ती है. No, I enjoy my own company. No, I enjoy my own company. अकेलापन भी अब आदत बन गया है. Loneliness has become a habit now. Loneliness has become a habit now. क्या तुम अब भी उसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Are you still waiting for him or her? Are you still waiting for him or her? हाँ, उम्मीद अब भी जिंदा है. Yes, hope is still alive. Yes, hope is still alive. नहीं, अब आगे बढ़ गया हूँ. No, I have moved on. No, I have moved on. दिल कहता है रुको, दिमाग कहता है छोड़ो. Heart says wait, mind says let go. Heart says wait, mind says let go. तुम चुप क्यों हो आजकल? Why are you so quiet these days? Why are you so quiet these days? बस थोड़ा सोचने का मन करता है. Just feel like being thoughtful. Just feel like being thoughtful. बातें करने का मन नहीं करता. I don't feel like talking. I don't feel like talking. चुप रहना भी अब शांति देता है. Silence gives peace now. Silence gives peace now. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? नहीं, बस थोड़ा दुखी हूँ. No, just a little hurt. No, just a little hurt. हाँ, काफी बातें दिल पर लग गई है. Yes, a lot has hurt me. Yes, a lot has hurt me. नाराज नहीं, बस उम्मीदें टूट गई. Not angry, just disappointed. Not angry, just disappointed. क्या तुम मुझे याद करते हो? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? हर रोज, हर पल. Every day, every moment. Every day, every moment. अब नहीं, पहले करता था. Not anymore, I used to. Not anymore, I used to. कभी कभी, जब सब शांत हो. Sometimes, when everything is quiet. Sometimes, when everything is quiet. क्या तुमने माफ कर दिया है? Have you forgiven? Have you forgiven? हाँ, दिल हल्का हो गया है. Yes, I feel lighter now. Yes, I feel lighter now. नहीं, जख्म अब भी ताजा है. No, the wounds are still fresh. No, the wounds are still fresh. माफ किया है पर भुलाया नहीं. Forgiven but not forgotten. Forgiven but not forgotten. क्या तुम दोबारा वही गलती करोगे? Will you repeat the same mistake again? Will you repeat the same mistake again? नहीं, अब समझ आ गया है. No, I have learned my lesson. No, I have learned my lesson. शायद हाँ, आदत है पुरानी. Maybe yes, it's a habit. Maybe yes, it's a habit. कोशिश करूँगा ना करने की. I'll try not to. I'll try not to. क्या तुमने कभी किसी को धोखा दिया है? Have you ever betrayed someone? Have you ever betrayed someone? नहीं, कभी नहीं. No, never. No, never. हाँ, और आज भी पछताता हूँ. Yes, and I still regret it. Yes, and I still regret it. धोखा नहीं, मजबूरी थी. It wasn't betrayal, it was compulsion. It wasn't betrayal, it was compulsion. क्या तुम खुद को बदलना चाहते हो? Do you want to change yourself? Do you want to change yourself? हाँ, और बेहतर बनना है. Yes, want to become better. Yes, want to become better. नहीं, मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ठीक हूँ. No, I am fine the way I am. No, I am fine the way I am. थोड़ा बहुत सुधार तो जरूरी है. A little improvement is needed. A little improvement is needed. क्या तुम्हें लगता है सब ठीक हो जाएगा? Do you think everything will be fine? Do you think everything will be fine? हाँ, वक्त सब ठीक कर देता है. Yes, time heals everything. Yes, time heals everything. नहीं, चीजें बिगड़ती ही जा रही है. No, things are getting worse. No, things are getting worse. दिल मानता है हाँ, दिमाग नहीं. Heart believes yes, brain doesn't. Heart believes yes, brain doesn't. क्या तुम टाइम पर उठे थे आज? Did you wake up on time today? Did you wake up on time today? हाँ, अलार्म बजते ही उठ गया. Yes, I woke up as the alarm rang. Yes, I woke up as the alarm rang. नहीं, आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया. No, I got up a bit late today. No, I got up a bit late today. जल्दी तो उठा लेकिन फिर दोबारा सो गया. I woke up early but slept again. I woke up early but slept again. क्या तुमने मेरा फोन देखा है? Did you see my phone? Did you see my phone? हाँ, वो टेबल पर रखा है. Yes, it's on the table. Yes, it's on the table. नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा. No, I haven't seen it. No, I haven't seen it. शायद तुमने बेड पर रखा था. Maybe you left it on the bed. Maybe you left it on the bed. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.